Hello children, welcome to our class. Our new topic is statistics. In statistics, we are going to learn the measures of central tendency. The measures of central tendency are mean, median, mode. All these three of basic points, basic facts we have learned in 9th standard. Mean means the average of given data. Median means the midpoint or mid score of given data. And mode is the number which is or the observation which is repeats maximum time. Here that we are learning mean, median, mode of grouped frequency table. So for mean there are three methods are there. To find the mean we are going to learn three methods: direct method and step deviation method and assumed mean method. Median and mode there only one method. For median one method and another method for to find out the mode of frequency table, grouped frequency table. So first of all we will learn how to find out mean by direct method. So here I have given some sums. Mean from classified frequency distribution in direct method. So for that purpose we require, this is the question, we require some formula. So this is the question. The following table shows the number of students and time they utilize daily for their studies. Find the mean time spent by students for the studies by direct method. So two columns time in hours given. This is the grouped frequency table: 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10. These are the classes, and in this class 0 is the lower limit and 2 is the upper limit. In this class 2 is the lower limit and 4 is the upper limit. Here 4 is the lower limit and 6 is the upper limit, and here 2 is the lower limit, upper limit in this class, and here that same number is in lower limit. So this will be continuous class. And here that before finding the formula, before explaining the formula, I want to tell something that what is the class mark. Last year you have learned that what is class mark. How to find out class mark? Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2 is called the class mark. So here that first we should draw one vertical column. This for class. Then we require the class mark. Then number of students, that means that will be the frequency, and then we require the product of that one. I will explain the formula after writing this one. Okay. Now here that first that we will write that time, that is in hours. Time in hours. So that is the classes that so 0 to 2 and 2 to 4 and 4 to 6, 6 to 8, then 8 to 10. So all classes we have written the vertically. And here next step is class mark. We should find out class mark. Class mark, how to find out? I told that lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. 0 plus 2 divided by 2. That means 2 divided by 2 is 1. That means midpoint of these classes will be that class mark. 2 to 4. That is the second class. So add these two, lower limit plus upper limit. So 2 plus 4, 6 divided by 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. Then 4 plus 6 divided by 2. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 divided by 2, 5. 6 to 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 8 to 10. 8 plus 10 is 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9. See, 0, 1, 2. So mid number came here. 2, 3, 4. The 3 is the mid number came. 4, 5, 6. 5 is the mid number. 6, 7, 8. 7 is the mid number. 8, 9, 10. 9 is the mid number. Class mark means the mid point of or mid number of class in classes. Now, this class mark we will denote by xi. Xi. What is xi? Class mark of each class. Xi. Okay. Now, next we should find out we should write the number of students. Number of students. From question only, number of students that is given in the question, this we will denote by fi. Fi means frequency of each class. So what is number of students? Here first class 7 is the frequency, then 18 is the frequency, then 12 is the frequency, 10 is the another frequency, and 3 is the last frequency. What is this, the meaning of this one? From 0 to 2 hours, how many students are watching? How many students are studying? 7 students. And 2 hours to 4 hours, how many students are studying? 18 students. And 4 hours and 6 hours, 12 students are utilizing to study. And 6 hours to 8 hours, 10 students they utilize to study. And that 3 students they utilize 8 to 10. That means 8, 10, 9, 10, this much hours they are utilized to study. Now next step is fi xi we should find out. Fi xi means fi into xi. This we took from questions and this we got it from this column. That means from classes. Class mark we got it from classes. And number of students, this we got it from question. Then fi xi. Fi xi means fi into xi, the product of these two columns. So 1 into 7 is 7 and 18 3s are 54. Then 12 5s are 60. 10 7s are 70. 9 3s are 27. So fi xi means fi into xi. That means product of these two columns. 1 into 7 is 7. 3 into 18 is 54. 5 into 12 is 60. 7 into 10 is 70. And 9 into 3 is 27. Now we should find out sigma fi. We should find out sigma fi means sum of the frequency, and sigma fi xi, that means this column sum also you should find out. So first we should find out sigma fi. That means 18 plus 7 25, 25 plus 10 35, 37, 37 plus 10 47, 3 50 we will get. And here 54, 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 7 is 18, then 2 plus 1 3, 10, 16 and 21, 218. Now how to find out the mean? Mean is equal to mean x bar. This already you have learned last year. Mean we will represent by x bar. The formula is, remember the formula, sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. This is the formula in direct method. Sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. So here what is the sigma fi xi? 218 upon 50. Now this we can reduce it. Here you reduce it, this one 218 upon 50. So we can write this one 21.8 upon 5. How I took this? 5 into 10. Now 5 4s are 20. Then 1 18. 5 3s are 15. 6. How that I will show this one? 21.8 divided by 5. If you don't know, you learn. 5 4s are 20. Then 1 you bring it, 1 is the remainder. Then this point you put it here and 18. 5 3s are 15. Then 3 we put the 0, so we can put at a time we can add 1 0, 30. So 6 5s are 30. So we will get 4.36. So answer we will write here that this is answer, that mean of time, that mean time spent by students. So 4.3 mean time spent by students is 4.36 hours. Here hours is given, so that we should write it that hours along with answer. Otherwise chances is there to cut the answer, cut the marks. Okay, so here the direct method I have explained already, that in small classes we have learned that how to find out the mean in a frequency table, from the frequency table. But that frequency table there, that was the direct score and frequency was there given. But here what is that grouped frequency table is given. Grouped frequency table, from grouped frequency table how to find out the mean by direct method. First we should find out, first we should write the time hours, that means classes we should write in column. Then from there we should find out the class mark. How to find out the class mark? Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. 0 plus 2 divided by 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So like that each classes class mark we got it. Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Then next week what we have done, next column we written that from the question number of students, that means that will denote by Fi, frequency. So that we have written from the question. Then next one we should find out what is the next Fi. What is the meaning of Fi? Fi into Xi, that means product of these two columns. So 1 into 7 is 7, 3 into 18 is 54. Then 12 5s are 60, 7 10s are 70 and 9 3s are 27. After completing this match, we should find out sigma Fi. That means sigma Fi means sum of these all numbers, means how many students that we took the data. That means all the 50 students. From these 50 students we made this frequency table. Now then what is next one is sigma Fi. Sigma Fi, this we should add it. After adding we got it 218. Okay, 218. Now that what is the formula to find the mean? That we will denote by x bar is equal to sigma Fi xi upon sigma Fi. Sigma means sum of Fi xi upon sum of Fi. So 218 upon 50 we will get 4.36. So after completing this one we should write the answer separately. For this the mark is there. So mean time spent by students is 4.36 hours. That unit also we should write it. Okay, thank you.